The mechanics.
What is up? What's going on? What's happening, YouTube? If y'all hear that sound, that is the sound of a well-known insect in the state of Phoenix to let you know that it's monsoon season. So I waited to the absolute last second to come downstairs to go ahead and document another captain's log. Okay? So now let me holler at you for a second. Captain's log / tinker session. We're logging. Now, I'm kind of 50-50 what I really want to bring you guys as far as the captain's log. I don't have too much bike life to bring you guys anymore. I don't know where I fit in, if I fit in, or even if I should try to fit in the bike life. So it's good. I just don't know how I'm going to bring it to you guys. So if you guys still even want to see that, y'all need to comment down below if y'all want to see anything that I have to do with the bikes in particular. Now, if you guys are watching and want to engage and you guys want to see more Pearl, then, you know, holla at your boy and let me know what you want to see done, because as of now, she's a daily and she's a great daily, and that's all she is being a faithful daily, because ultimately at the end of the day, that's what you need anyways. So y'all need to comment down below what y'all want to see. With this being said, today's tinker session, since I really don't have much to do or requirements to do or needs to do on Pearl, in the process of getting her in the process of being the process, I asked a couple of weeks ago if anybody had a fender roller that I could borrow. Nobody, apparently no one had one. So why does every time it freaks me out? Anyways, so I have purchased one of these a couple of weeks ago and it's been in my trunk. Recently moved it to my garage, and now I'm going to use it today because it is a wonderful monsoon Tuesday with no monsoon. I think it's 11 days of 110, over 110 degrees, y'all. Over 110 degrees. Pray for us. So what I'm going to do is try to figure out how to get my electricity back on. It's so far. I don't even know if I have electricity. Anyways, wheels need to come off, and I don't know why I haven't ran these green wheels. I might see why these green wheels have not been on this car yet. I think they all have air. I'm not sure. Let's see. Anyways, I'm gonna try to reroute some power so I can get it to the outside of my garage so I can use my heat gun, and then we're gonna get to rolling some fenders, rear quarters, not the front fenders, rear quarters. First side rolled. Passenger side, just making sure I still have it. Yeah, I still got it. You know what I'm saying? And if we look, no flares, still have original body line. Super, 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 super happy with that. So not only am I inconspicuous, I'm indiscreet. 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 Anyways, so she's rolled that, which basically flattened this. So we would have no more of this rubbing. Capiche? Oh, god damn.
A few moments later.
Alright, so content is content, okay? I did one. I'm going upstairs, man. Y'all don't understand how Phoenix is. Like I said, Pearl is doing fantastic how she is. So this is just a step that I'm going to skip later on in life. So being that I have the stalks on and they don't have spacers and I'm not touching the tire letters anymore, I can run this, do the next one tomorrow, whatever. It's hot. I wait until the sun went down and I'm still sweating bullets. So I'm gonna try to pace myself. Why? Because I can do that. Anyways, with this being said, this is a captain's log. Like I said in the beginning of the video, I would like for you guys to comment down below what you guys want to see. With this being said, come back, okay? Content is content. Like, comment, subscribe. With this being said, peace, I'm gone.
The mechanics.